Here we have a 2011 Dodge Journey with only 113,000 kilometers and a 2.4-liter engine. This vehicle features a touchscreen deck, push-button start, air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel controls, powered windows, powered locks, and powered mirrors. All of our vehicles come with a Manitoba Safety, a 3-month, 3,000-kilometer powertrain warranty, and a 1-week, 500-kilometer check engine light warranty. This vehicle is selling for $8,450 plus taxes, and we do accept status cards. We offer many financing options, including our in-house financing plan. To view this vehicle, come down to 1429 Clarence Avenue. Our phone number is 204-229-3838, or you can visit www.boyceauto.ca.